What are your thoughts there? When we think about early adoption of agentic AI, where are we seeing that?
I think we see it in small pockets, right? And that's maybe not something that where there's a big use case. But for example, an agentic use case would be that the AI decides, do I need to go to the internet or not? Which tools it uses. So I think what I see it's more is like that you use, or we have agents where the agent decide which tools do they use. They scrape from a website, where they go to a website, and these are kind of small use cases. Now we've built also a brand, where you can build your entire EVP and recruitment agency, where we have a supervisor agent, which then chooses which agents, depending on the questions, which agents they should suggest to the user to use next, because there's 17 different agents in this EVP recruitment marketing play that we have. But then it doesn't say boop, and it doesn't trigger it automatically until the human or it doesn't trigger several of them. It triggers the first one, but then the human obviously needs to read through the response. Now, obviously, I know that we have with Adam Gordon, somebody else on this call who has built some cool generative AI stuff. Adam, what do you see?
The area that I'm involved in is very much around the creation of assets and things like that. What we've done doesn't do what you've just described in terms of going and deciding what tools to use and things like that. It goes and retrieves information from a variety of sources and then makes semi-decisions around is it white collar, is it blue collar, is it exec, is it hard to fill, is it easy to fill, what's the supply of the talent in that particular location, and then determines what are the tasks that are needed to take on this piece of recruitment, and therefore what are the assets that are needed, such as things like outreach messaging or Boolean strings or that type of thing. So that's what we've been doing. And there's very little. I agree with what you said earlier, Felix. There's a heck of a lot of things that are getting pulled into the market described as agentic AI.